Hello guys, hope you are feeling well. Today I am here with the new video, and that is how to do bidding or mediation of admobe with Facebook or Facebook with admobe. So before going to anywhere, let's jump to the Android Studio, and I have created a project with the empty activity, and mediation with bidding is the project name, and activity man is our launching and man activity. So for that, first we have to declare some libraries or implement some libraries, add some libraries of mediation and admobe here in the build.gradle app. So we will open our Chrome and search for integrate Facebook audience with mediation. You will open this website, and Facebook is the integrated partner. So come here, scroll down, you will find all the method here, how to create the IDs from your audience network and admobe. So we are here to implement directly the ads. So I will come here and select this library and come to our Android Studio and paste it. Also we have to implement the library of admobe. So we also come here and get started, and we'll copy this line, this library, and we'll paste it here. So we have to wait for the build.grid for some time. Also we have to implement this metadata. Here in the application page, and we have to place a testing ID here in the application ID here, and the ID will be test ID if your device is not added in testing. Now I will come here to the Android banner ad, and let's start with the git banner ad. Sorry, first we have to pick the testing ad ID. It is available here. It's not, I think. So we will come here to the banner, and we will paste it here. I will create a new activity here, in which we will place the banner, and in this activity we will place the letter. Finish it. Change the constraint layout to relative layout. And I will place it here. So this is the banner ad, and also for understanding it will be better that we have to copy this ID to string dot to a string XML, and I will here is the string and banner ad underscore ID, and I will paste it here, and I will call it string banner ad. It's good. And also we have to then come here, and for the Java we will do the following thing. I will copy this line and come here to private. White, show banner. I will paste it here. Let's import this. And we have to place here add view. Also we have to place here the internet permission. Everything will be more after some time. Now come to here after this, we have to come to here and we will search for the adopter class. Come here to mediation, get started, and I will come here and copy this line. Place it here. Also import these lines. And our ad will be show here, so show banner ad here. Implement it again and let's clean our product. Okay. This and I will come here. Now we will have to implement the banner ad. Sorry, the native ad. So for the native ad we have to select a frame layout and frame layout height and width will be match and wrap content, and the ID will be native ad frame. Native underscore aid underscore frame, and also it's line parent of true, and layout gravity center. Medation 2db, and minimum height, the native ad is always 320 dp must. Okay, and what's this? Giving the one view it. Okay, so this is the frame layout and it's done. Let's come to the Chrome, and in the Chrome we have to select native ad and get started with the native ad. So in the Neteo ad there is a lot of things you have to do, but I have already implemented Neteo method, Neteo ads, and by so many methods: Neteo advanced, Neteo option, Neteo template, etc., and so many other things. But the most thing I have implemented in my other app, so I will directly come to my app. You can directly copy this and paste it in Android Studio, but I have already implemented in my project, so I will come here to the layout and copy this Neteo layout and paste it here in my layout. Actually you have to download this from here and do whatever you want. This all is about Neteo method. So I have downloaded this. You can write by your hands by seeing my code. Look at this. This is a linear layout, then a linear layout, then image view, then a linear layout with a title and headline, and here will be the Neteo media view, and the Neteo media view. Look at this, and also this is the text view, price, store, and at the last here is a button, and the style of the button is button BG, so I have taken a button tribal here, and there is this. So you can copy this also by seeing this and pause the video and write the code by your hand. Actually it will take a lot of time, so that's why by saving the time I have directly put this in my tribal in advance, so you have to write it by your hand. You can email with me, so I will send it to you on email. So this is the code of the button, and this is the Neteo ad layout, you can see. So, and I have taken a frame layout here for the head view of Neteo ad view, and now I will come to the main activity class. So in the main activity you have to copy this from main layout, and that is the adapter class for the bidding. Control C and come here to the main activity and remove this, and because we are implementing the Neteo method, so let's come to my project, and there is I have already created this Neteo method. So I will copy the line and will paste it here, because it's already available in the Google. There we go, here it is available. So I will place it here. This is the Neteo media view. It requires internet permission, and that is already in my app. Also we have to do something, and there is a string. In the string I am going to copy these lines, because it is the testing IDs. Okay, Control V, and this is the Neteo ad ID, and I will call this Neteo method here. So it's got completed. See, okay, it's done, and we have to do one thing, and that is mediation testing suite. Testing suite the mode mediation testing suite, and let's copy this line and paste it in the build ordered head. Let's sync the project. Okay, it's build our griddle kit completed. We will come here to the main activity class first, and we will declare mediation. Mediation technique and activity targets also in the activity. And activity 2. Okay, also one thing we have to do is to create XML. I already created. You will come here to the sample directory and to the new directory, and will name it XML. And also in the XML you will have to make a network security config, which is available on the Google admobe official website, and you will call this security config in your application, and you will call security config of XML network security config and this thing. So it is already available on the Google official website, or you can write it by on your hand here from my video or from my screen. Also you can place a button and place interstitial head. So come here to the main activity and close all the other activities. Come to the main activity and HTML is here. So I will place a button. On button I will grab content and grab content, and I will place this below the frame native head frame, and center horizontal true, and text on this button will be click me. Okay, and increase the text size to 18 sp, and the text style will be bold. Okay, it's looking much good and sendable to you. Image view, the sit on click listener, image view. Also we have to place the intent on it. Image view equal to find view by id or dot id. We have not created any ID to given any ID to the image view, so we will come here and will place ID to it. Okay, it's done. And it's not image view, it's button. Okay, it's done. Now we will come here to my another project. Is I have already created the interstitial and everything here. So you can go to the Google website, and from here you will find the interstitial, and in the interstitial you will find here all the things that we need to do. You can copy direct everything and paste it in Android Studio, but as already I have created all things, so I will first come here to my project. I will copy this and I will come here to the new project. This is my new project, and then I will come here to the load interstitial and show interstitial are the two methods. I will come here to my project and I will place it here. Okay, there is some errors and we have to remove this errors, and this is the main activity. I will remove these lines. Okay, let's watch it. So here it says the add ID and the add request, new interstitial callback, and add request are here with the interstitial are searchable content, and on a dismiss that is will be 2. It will again load interstitial, and this is interstitial null and this is show interstitial in this activity. So this is the two methods, load interstitial and show interstitial are the two methods. I will call here, and the load interstitial method will call here. Now if we have the button image view, so we will set this interstitial add on it. Image view dot set on click listener, new view on click listener, and I will have to do something. Also we have to do that we are going to the next activity, so we will load this interstitial here in main activity and will show the add going in between the main activity and the main activity 2. So we have to make here a new method, public void go to next, and we will place here start activity, new intent, get application context, and also we will have to provide our second activity which you want to go. So main activity.to and class. So also one thing that we have to do is to check the condition here. We will place a counter here. If the counter is 2, so it will show interstitial add, or I think there is no need of counter. We will do it in our next activity. So I will check it here if interstitial add is not equal to null, then call the show interstitial method, and else go to go to next, and also here on the head dismiss method, and add in dismiss we will go to the next activity. So that's done. Also there is no need for interstitial it is not equal to null etc, because it already here, it is available here. So we have just placed it there because of not null, then it will show interstitial and else it will go to if interstitial add is not null, then it will show interstitial add, it will go to the next activity, and on add it will go to the next activity. So that's all about the bidding, mediation and everything. If you need the source code of this mediation and bidding, I will provide it on the given email. Kindly comment if you have any doubt, if you want to this source code, then I will provide it to you. Let's run the app, and if you learn new things and if you have any question, then comment in the section and we'll contact it to you. Thank you.
Of course it's got me thinking.